Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding and Life Diaries. In today's video, I am going to show you 3 simple Python scripts that can make your student life much easier. If you are a BCA student, this video will be very useful for you. In this video, I will demonstrate 3 practical Python scripts that can help you in your daily academic work. The first script automatically organizes your downloads folder. The second script reminds you about upcoming deadlines. The third script helps you track your attendance and tells you how many classes you can safely miss. All 3 scripts are simple to use, require minimal setup, and are available for free. The GitHub link is provided in the description. Let us begin with the first script. Section 1, File Organizer. Let us start with a very common problem. Most students download many files every day. Notes, assignments, images, zip files and code files. Over time, all of these files accumulate in the downloads folder and become difficult to manage. As you can see, all file types are mixed together. Finding a specific file in this situation can take unnecessary time. To solve this problem, we use the file organizer script. This script automatically identifies files types and moves them into appropriate folders. Now I will run the script. The script is now scanning the folder and categorizing files based on their extensions. The process is complete. Now if we open the downloads folder, again you will notice a clear structure. PDF files are moved into a PDFs folder, images are moved into an images folder, videos, code files and archive files are also separated. This improves organization and makes files access much faster. Additionally, the script creates folders automatically if they do not already exist. It also generates a log file that records which files were moved and where they were placed. This ensures transparency and helps you track changes. This script can also be automated to run during system startup, so the organization happens without manual effort. This completes the first script. Now let us move to the second one. The next problem many students face is missing deadlines. Sometimes deadlines are known but they are forgotten due to a busy schedule. To address this, we use this deadline reminder script. This script works using a simple text file. In this file, you can enter your deadlines in a structured format. Each entry contains the subject name, date, time, and task description. Once the file is updated, the script handles the rest. Now I will run the script. The script first displays all upcoming deadlines. You can see that the deadlines are sorted based on urgency and the remaining time for each task is clearly shown. This gives you an immediate overview of your schedule. Now the main functionality of this script is background monitoring. Once running, the script continues to check deadlines automatically. It sends a notification 24 hours before a deadline. It sends another notification 1 hour before the deadline. These notifications appear on your desktop even if you are working on other tasks. This ensures that you do not miss important submissions. Another useful feature is automatic file reloading. If you add or modify deadlines in the text file, the script updates the changes without needing to restart. This makes the system flexible and easy to maintain. This completes the second script. Now let us move to the final one. The final script addresses another common concern among students: attendance management. Many institutions require a minimum attendance percentage, typically around 75%. Students often try to calculate how many classes they can miss while staying above this limit. Manual calculation can be time consuming and sometimes inaccurate. This script simplifies the process. Now I will demonstrate how it works. The scripts ask for two inputs: total number of classes conducted, number of classes attended. Let us enter the values. The output shows current attendance percentage, status safe for danger, number of classes that can still be missed. This information is calculated based on the attendance requirement. Now let us test another case where attendance is below the required level. Here the script indicates that the attendance is below. It also calculates how many classes must be attended continuously to reach a safe level. This removes the need for manual collections. Additionally, the script supports multiple subjects. It displays a table containing attendance percentage for each subject, status for each subject, allowed absence. This provides a complete overview in a single view. This completes the third script. To summarize, the file organizer improves file management. The deadline reminder ensures you do not miss important tasks. The attendance tracker helps maintain academic requirements, and all three scripts are included in a single package. You can download them from the GitHub link in the description. For setup, only one dependency is required, that is pip install plyer. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more practical Python projects. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.